everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share the viral TikTok Phyllo Crinkle dessert. Like baklava, this viral TikTok crinkle dessert actually originates from Middle Eastern desserts, but with a twist of an ultra crispy phyllo shell and a custard center. For this recipe, we need 1 box Phyllo pastry sheets, 1 cup of unsalted butter melted, 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, sugar we need for the custard and the syrup, vanilla essence, and some ground pistachio. Make sure to allow the phyllo dough to defrost fully before starting to scrunch or fold, otherwise you will end up with a bunch of torn pieces. Only use 2 pieces of phyllo dough per crinkle because if you use too much it won't be crispy. Try to use the metal pan so that the bottom of the crinkle will cook properly, and make sure to grease the pan with the melted butter before putting the dough. Place the scrunched up pieces of phyllo dough onto the edge of the sheet pan that has the same width, and continue the same with the rest of the phyllo dough. Now you can place the sheet pan into the oven for 10 minutes and bake. Meanwhile, you can melt the unsalted 1 cup of butter. Remove the sheet pan from the oven after 10 minutes and pour the melted butter over the phyllo dough evenly. And you can place the sheet pan again back in the oven for another 10 more minutes. Now let's prepare the custard in a mixing bowl. 2 eggs. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Combine everything together until everything mixes properly. After 10 minutes, again remove the sheet pan from the oven. Now you can pour the custard evenly over the phyllo dough. Then turn the pan in the oven. Cook for another 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Last 10 minutes of cooking, you can make the syrup in a pan over medium heat. You can combine the sugar and the water, 1:1 ratio here I am putting, and you can cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's slightly thick. You can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of rose water, and you can turn off the heat after 8 to 10 minutes. Once the baking time is over, remove the sheet pan from the oven. Now you can see the crinkles are nice and crispy. You can drizzle with the syrup we prepared, and you can garnish with some ground pistachio on top. extra crispy pieces of phyllo dough and sweet custard cinder. This crinkle dessert is delicious Middle Eastern treat that's simple to make at home. It's ready to eat. You can slice and enjoy with your family and friends during the month of Ramadan or any occasion. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.